Alright, so your head. At this point, you've cut these lines out that you're supposed to have. Just notice I didn't cut one out, so these have been cut and they're ready. Alright, so now you're going to start folding. So you want to fold this at all the little black lines. And again, you want your folds to be super crisp. And then your gray tabs need to be folded too. Okay. So I start on this one right here, right? And so what you're going to do is that your F goes inside, your little F goes inside your big F, and so you just slip it in. Now what I like to do, because it'll pop off, is I like to put a little bit of tape inside to hold it together so it's not constantly popping out for me. Then little G goes inside big G. And again, a little bit of tape. Then you bring over the next one. So E goes inside of E. And A goes inside of A. So they slide in. And then I use tape again just to make sure that it's staying in. Okay, and then finally the last one. Alright, so D goes inside of D, B goes inside of B, and then C goes inside of C. And this is where, since you can't tape the other ones because this is the last side, I put tape right here because this is the back of the head and this is the neck, chin, so it's really not incredibly important as far as the design goes. So I put the little piece of tape on the outside and then the whole box stays together. Alright, and that is how you assemble the head.